Hello everyone! For today's video, we're going to cook crabs in coconut milk with vegetables. So here's our vegetables. So bago natin lutuin ang crabs, of course, we have to clean it first. So ang ginagawa ko dyan, hinuhugasan ko at saka gumamit ako ng brush to clean the claws, the legs, the shells. Ayan. At pagkatapos, hinihiwa ko siya in half. I cut them in half para manunuot yung lasa or sauce sa kaloob-looban ng crabs. So ayan, after niyan, mag-start na tayo ng pagluluto. So ginagamit ko dyan is yung salted butter and then onion. Then nilagay na natin yung crabs and i-mix mo lang yan. Hintayin nating maluto. But before that, naglagay na ako niya ng seasonings, salt and pepper, and then all the vegetables. Lahat na ng vegetables ilagay mo na. Kasi yung squash and string beans, medyo matagal maluto. So, you have to wait for a few minutes. Pagkatapos malagay lahat ng vegetables, nag-add tayo ng salt and pepper dyan. And our secret seasoning, I add lemongrass. Pampaano na din ng lasa at saka mabango kasi pag may lemongrass. And then, i-cover lang natin. Let it boil for a few minutes. And, yan, naluto na yung crab natin. Or nag-turn red na yung shells. And, I add the coconut milk. So, ang coconut milk na yan, magpa-creamy ng sauce. And then, may seasoning na naman akong nilagay dyan. Kasi every time you add an ingredient, you have to taste it after. Kasi mag-iba yung timpla niyan. And then, yung water spinach leaves. That's the last vegetables you have to put kasi madali lang siyang lumambot. And here we go. Thank you for watching.